Our morning started off very quickly. Early in the morning, we're out doing what we do best. My little mini me don't have no school today. No school.
I do.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
So, he's with me today as I do what I do to make it do what it do, baby. He's swinging, and we got other things to do. Like being one with nature. Yes, nature. You guys, now, my life ain't always what it's cracked up to be. There's good days and bad days. But today is a beautiful day. Come along with me and my little mini me as we enjoy nature's finest things. Fresh air, beautiful scenery, and quality time that's worth a gazillion dollars. Please hit that thumbs up, share, and comment for your girl, E. Marie. And sit back and enjoy. Make sure your seatbelt's on, because I'm not responsible for any accidents, okay? All right. It may be a little bumper ride. Nature Park. I'm starting to realize that I am in love with nature. Nature. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize that this particular park have a walking trail.
It's right there.
Okay.
Just go follow this.
Ooh.
And you follow it both. Okay? Be careful.
I will.
Right there. Ooh.
I'm starting to explore my environment in my city / state. In this particular park, Nature Park.
Mom!
Yes.
That way.
Yeah. This particular park that I always been in this park. Whether it was Starlight, the Kansas City Zoo, or on down into the Nature Park. You know, it has a walking trail. I don't know. Hold on, because I gotta pay attention to my surrounding, honey. I don't know who's in these woods with me.
And just me and you.
No, it's other people out here too. Okay, this is open to the public.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You guys come with us on this walking trail as we entertain nature and nature entertain us. It is so beautiful out here. Please enjoy this video. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoy nature itself and trees and God's green earth. Please enjoy.
That way or that way. Let me see.
No, don't break it.
Okay. What do you do right there?
This is cool. My goodness. What are you doing?
I did build something for you.
You building something for me?
Yeah.
What are you building?
Thank you. You want to help me?
Yeah, what are you building though? Oh, wow.
And taking the woods over
Huh?
there. I did take the woods over there. And that's it. Wow. And I had to walk to the city.
Let me see. Watch out.
Oh, you're breaking it!
I'm breaking it.
Yes, you are.
All right.
It's your nails. That's okay.
Whoa.
Is you got cut?
No.
Down now, man.
Alright, let's go on down a little bit.
Bye, Treewood. I'm gonna see you another day. And I'm gonna crack the tree bricks.
You went away?
I'm gonna put some more tree bricks, Mom. That day we cut him. And one way downhill. And I hope we didn't go. And I hope we don't get wrong.
This is the trail.
You got to kill this.
No, don't do that to your shoes. You can mess up your shoes, okay?
Oh. Yeah. And 342. And they're going to get the 34. Okay?
Hold on. Go over there. I'll be over there.
Come with me.
I will. Hold on.
Get your phone up quick. What I say. Come on down. And we all by 3, 4. 3, 4. Mom, this way. Ooh. The trees might catch a fire on the day.
Oh, that tree was on. Oh, somebody caught that on fire.
Yeah. And all these right here, it's all ground.
Yeah.
Look, Mom.
I see.
Be careful, big dog.
I will.
Go.
This is a perfect place for us to meditate.
It's not a problem.
Just relax and enjoy nature. Oh my God. I think we're gonna camp out here when we gather our stuff.
Mother, that's a seal. It's a seal. Can I keep it? Please.
It may be something in there. I see something in there.
Let me look.
Look, see? It's somebody's home. See, look, hold it. Look at it. It may crawl out at you.
Forgot me bit me.
Oh, let's see. Look in it. See if you see something crawling in it.
Nothing.
Are you sure? Do you see something in there, though?
Look, it's black. It's black.
Wow.
Oh.
Let me see what it is. Oh, yeah.
You see it?
I see.
Is there a snail in there?
Probably.
Oh.
I go find some more.
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
Or you want to leave it here just in case something's inside of it? This is his home, Eli. Let's leave it here.
No, it just don't
You
have
find another
nothing.
one?
It don't have nothing in it.
Hold on. Okay. Let's keep this and let's put this back. 'Cause I think this is somebody's home. Okay?
Okay, we do. Nothing in it.
Okay.
Yes, keep it.
All right, we're going to keep it. Put it in your pocket so you won't lose it.
Wait.
Did you find another one?
No. Nothing down my hill. It's still home is broken.
Yeah, see that's a snail home. It's dead. Yeah.
It's still dead.
This one is broke and it's perished. It's dead. So we ain't gonna take this one.
We did go take a white one. It don't have no animals in it. Because I do like cells for poke out there. Who will we die? Mom, what's this?
Oh, don't touch it. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, let's find some more of these.
I don't want to touch those in case that's somebody's home. Okay.
Somebody home in this one. Somebody try to peek out. I'm gonna throw it. Oh, I found no one.
Oh, that's a big one. Let me
Nobody in here. Nobody in it.
I see. Yeah, that's somebody's home. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Ooh, why the fuck that? I found another one. Mom, look, another one.
You did.
Oh! I'm gonna keep following those. You got the tree. What? Who's out there in it? I'll drop it.
Let's go up this way.
Yeah.
Walking trail.
If we find a cell home, a cell me home, and I gonna get for cell home, okay?
Alright.
If cell don't have no home, I go ahead and get home. Mom. See, it's his home, okay?
Yes, sir.
Look, it looks like a rat. Ooh, look at that tree.
Lightning must have struck that down.
Who?
Lightning from the sky. Yeah. It went boom.
And the tree went and crashed down. This is a Feather Nation wall. Find the jail crossing the road.
Find what?
Find the jail crossing the road.
A gym?
Yeah.
GYM? Gym, like a gym you play in? No, they wouldn't have a gym out here, Eli.
Why did you do that?
It's not really littering. Because the animal's gonna eat that.
The dogs got eat bones.
That wasn't a bone.
Why you throwing it?
I just told you I was giving it to nature. There's gonna be deers and birds and what else is up in here?
The dogs.
If there's some stray dogs, yeah.
Bad dogs. Side down. On the front, this is side shiny. We shiny. We not shiny.
See, this place is huge. Huge.
Where we go next?
Hold on, just wait.
I'm waiting. Can we buy toy? Where we go park here?
Just a minute.
What we do?
Very good.
Back up. Why side the car go to?
Now we are at Treetop Adventures. This is another walking area.
I see you walk a trail.
You do.
Yeah.
There you go. This thing is.
I think you had that for us 3 years ago.
Did you say I had this 400 years ago?
No, that thing it had the phone.
Eli,
Yeah.
I've been having it for like probably I'm gonna say about 5-6 months.
5-6 months means you got cut and do something with your nose.
And now we are at Go Ape Top Adventure. treetop adventure. Let's take a look at this with X. Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah,
Can I have some candy?
Huh?
Can I have some candy?
No, Eli. Okay.
Can I get down?
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Ooh, can I play down?
No, this is what I was telling you earlier.
Yeah.
This is the treetop adventure. This is a playground. You have to pay. They have obstacle course. Cool. And this is the lake over here. You see it? The fishing lake.
Can we test it?
Because they will chase you and bite you. Those things right there, don't let them fool you. They will lay you out.
It's still have one of those. Oh, you're about to fly.
Ooh.
I hope doggies what
We gotta get some fishing pole and fishing license.
can
You know he's out here to make money, honey. Or not make money, but when you see a person like just one person and they have like 10 fishing poles, it gotta be he has a business that he sell fish or he's stocking up for his house. Ain't nothing wrong with him doing that. Don't do that.
Why?
Nobody want to see your food in your mouth. That's nasty. Okay.
I just saw it's on the camera, not you. Just the camera. Camera don't have no eyes.
Yeah, you want one.
Oh my god.
Animals don't have no eyes. I remember your Uncle Joe. He had a 1964 Impala back in the day when I was.
It's just a dog's face. It's too wet.
Well, take it off.
It can't take off out.
Oh, is that a bump or something?
Probably.
Where is it at?
Right here, right there, one right here, one right there, on the forehead.
Ooh, I thought it was coming over here too. I thought it was. I'm like, you wished it over here. Those things, they can run. If you mess with them, baby, and you can't run, you in trouble.
And the guy there for him right there. Help! Help to get help! I hope it gets you what a balloon and say, hi, I go roll my window. I'm gonna do my dad.
Not in my ear, okay?
Yeah, I hope it gets you what a window right here. I hope it gets right there. And I go to that window. Oh my gosh.
Want some more chicken?
Stay over here.
I'm gonna have to get our fishing license, hopefully in a couple of days. And we're gonna come down here and we're gonna fish.
That
make it do what it
like
do.
that man.
Like that man. He's smart.
He's smart to fish still.
Good.
It's so good.
Yeah, get it.
Oh my gosh.
You know what?
Uh-huh.
Dang. I forgot what I was about to say.
What's you gonna say?
I forgot it.
Tell me.
I said I forgot. That's what I said. I forgot.
You forgot these? Can you have one?
No, you can't. You better move your hand, little boy.
I
We
could.
don't got no napkins in here. Oh my goodness.
We got head ties too.
Yeah, but I need to wipe this off.
Let me see.
See?
Ew, it's a baby.
Okay, you guys, we are about to end this video. Don't do that. We are about to end this video, and we are about to go do a little bit of shopping. So, you guys,
And my toy.
you are in my ear. So we will talk to you later, you guys.
And we gonna eat some chicken tomorrow.
Remember, no matter what you are going through in life, you can overcome it. You can see yourself through the storm. Just have faith, stay prayed up, and know that everything will be all right.
Yeah, and chicken. Happy April Fool.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share, and comment for your girl, E. Marie. And God bless everyone out there. And know that everything's going to be all right. Stay in your lane, if you know what I mean. Make it do what it do, baby.